All right, fellas, we back with Gbody Media. Back with my brother's Monte Carlo. I finally got the exhaust manifolds off. Um, I still got to get this stud right here and one on the other side, but the manifolds are off. Um, I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get one of my friends that can weld to come and weld like a socket on, and see if I can take it out. Shout outs to Warren Gbody and Elko Warren. That's both of his channels. He suggested that for me, and shout out to him because I've been watching his channel for the longest, and that's one of my top YouTube channels that I watch. And he awesome, fellas. His builds are top notch. It's kind of above my builds right now, but that's okay, fellas. You know, I can use that as inspiration and motivation, so when I get to that stage in life, all the tips and tricks that he done already taught and showed, I can apply them to my build. And I love his channel, guys. Y'all check him out. It's Warren Gbody and Elko Warren. And it's this side I gotta get off. But like I said, I don't wanna drill in there and mess up the head or anything. So what I'm thinking, like he suggested, is weld on like a socket or something, and we can probably extract it that way. But my main goal was just getting them off. And all I did was came in with my cutoff wheel, and I cut them bolts off, and they came right out on each side. So we retained that pipe. We probably ain't gonna need it, but I didn't want to cut into it, and then I just cut the bolts off. And what I had to do to get the manifold off on the driver's side was I had to do a lot of drilling, fellas. It was a task in itself. But I got it done. You know, these old crappy small manifolds, we ain't gonna use these, but it was a task in itself, fellas. You know, that's what comes along with it, fellas. You just gotta take a break. See, I got frustrated a little bit. I just went in the house, took a break, got my head right, and came back out. I had to take off the steering shaft to get to it, to get a good angle at it. But you know, that was only 2 bolts. And I'm gonna go on and suggest to him anyway to upgrade to like a Jeep shaft, or the one I was gonna get is the Hooker Blackheart one, and it'll bolt right up, and it don't use a rag joint or nothing, and it's a nice upgrade. We'll upgrade the steering box too if he want to go that route, because I'm gonna do it on down the road on mine. But that's what we got done so far. It took me a couple of days. I came out. Well, actually, my daily driver broke down on my old lady, and I've been dealing with that. I couldn't go to work Saturday, so I spent Saturday trying to get that, and I basically had to take the battery out of Lucille to get that home, because the battery had died on it. So my next check, I'm gonna have to purchase a battery to put in her car, and for now, I'm gonna have to use my battery out of the Regal. So, you know, that's part of life, fellas, you know, but it's all right. And I came out, after I got done with that, I came out and cut them bolts off, and then today I came out and drilled the rest of that out. But I work with a guy that can weld, and I'm gonna see if he can come over here and weld on a socket, and we can get those off. But now I can do the deep cleaning and stuff. This is the part I want to get to, fellas. Get the manifolds off so I can have a good area to clean up the wiring and stuff. And I did talk to my brother, and he gave me the okay to go on and delete the quarter top. You know, if y'all seen the previous videos, it was in pretty bad shape. And he was like, the only part I'm worried about is the side. And if you watching this right now, bro, your stuff is immaculate, fella. I'm telling you, man, it's amazing. I know when I take mine off, it won't be this clean, but I told him I'd go on and get it off and treat any parts with surface rust, knock them down and treat them with rust converter. But as y'all can see, fellas, it ain't nothing to treat. This is immaculate. I told him I was gonna leave like the bottom part and some of the sides part. I wasn't gonna take all of it off. You know, I gotta still get in here and take this off and clean it up a little bit. But we basically wanted to see if it was any rust spots or nothing and something, but it's not. Like right here, I'm gonna hit it with my wire brush and treat it with some rust converters, so that won't come through or nothing. But she's in great shape, fellas. And for the paint, I'm gonna suggest him to go with Sprayway Customs. I'm in Huntsville, and I know he's in Alabama. He's pretty close, so I'm gonna try to get in contact with him to do the paint. You know, he got a great channel that provide great information to guys like us to learn how to do body work and paint and stuff. And his work speaks for itself. Like when I get him, I want him to do the quarter top of my car and probably do the paint on it. And on my front clip, I got like a chunk missing. I want to see if he can fiberglass something in on mine and fix it for me. You know, whatever his price is, whatever his price, his work speaks for itself. You don't beat a man like that down. You know, I could trust him 100%, and that's what I'm gonna suggest for my brother to go to. So if y'all can, if y'all know him and can tag him or something, or if I know he probably won't watch this, but I'm gonna try to get in contact with him and see if he can do the quarter top and paint and some work on my car too. But yeah, fellas, we got her pretty much ready to do the deep cleaning and stuff. I'm gonna clean up the wiring and stuff. It's a lot of work when it's coming to the cleaning, fellas. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with all that. I'll just probably check in with a couple of videos just showing y'all the process and stuff. But y'all stay tuned, fellas, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. And all my new subscribers, thank y'all for joining the Gbody Media team. We here to keep these cars on the road, learn from each other. You know, I don't know everything. Y'all know a lot of stuff that I don't know. So it's a lot of stuff that I want y'all to help me with. If y'all see me doing something wrong, or if it's something that I need help with, this is what this is for, us to help each other out. This channel ain't for me at all. This for these Gbodies, fellas. I love these cars. And I just want to spread my knowledge and gain knowledge from y'all. And we're going to keep these cars on the road. You know, it's different strokes for different folks. You can have any type of build, and we all can take something from it and like something from it. You know, if you got an LS, you know you got a badass motor. But if you know you've got a 305 or a 307, you still got your nice ride, man, a nice cruiser and stuff. And when you get to that point in life when, if you want to switch it out, you can. You know, that's what it's all about, is us helping each other out and stuff. And I want to thank y'all for tuning in and joining the Gbody Media team, fellas. I really do appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Y'all stay tuned.